you're like me and you like to shower in the winter and you get dry skin, this is what's going to help you out a lot. This is the AmazerBath Lotion Applicator for your back, and it's pretty simple. Basically, you just have this 17-inch stick with a cool grip on it and also a thing to hang up. And then you have these applicators, which are kind of like big foam areas. All you do is put lotion on it and you just go like this on your back and you rub it all on your back. If you are always having like dry skin and your back itches in the winter, this is why. Because you need to go through and put lotion on your skin. It happens more as you get older, trust me. Each year is a little more difficult. So you just put lotion on it. I've actually used this a few times and you can't even tell that I used it. It still looks brand new. The good thing is they also give you more than one. They give you a total of 4. So you'll have 4 of them to use. And I'm sure this will last pretty long. You could also flip it over afterwards if you wanted to. I don't know. You could probably even slice it off if you wanted a fresh area. This is kind of like coned here. So you can go through and put the lotion on and just, you could also get your lower back and anything else you need that you can't reach. This will work for you. I have used this and I have to say this is awesome because now I don't have to be like trying to scratch my back that I can't get to sometimes. That one spot in your back, you know, you can't put your lotion on that way, and this will go through and fix that problem for you. So I definitely recommend it. Worth picking up.